We disassembled a Bitzer screw compressor that you can see. There is a thin layer of red copper all around the parts. Temperature was so high, so cage of bearing melted and oil color changed. This phenomenon can cause acidic system and subsequently acidic system can cause copper plating and ruin compressor. This compressor can't work correctly after overhauling because this system has contamination and new compressor will work with wrong control system. How we can solve this problem? We should clean evaporator, condenser and piping and then correct control system.